Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Google Keep application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. Start off by open your App Store from your iPhone. Now go to the search box and type in Google Keep and search. Once you find this Google Keep Notes and Lists application from Google LLC, tap on the Get button to begin the download process. Google Keep is a note-taking and organization app developed by Google. It is available for various platforms including the web, Android, and iOS device. It is designed to help users quickly capture and organize notes, lists, images, and more. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and once it's done, tap on the Open button to launch Open Google Keep on your iPhone. So that is how you can easily download Google Keep for your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.